Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Suzuki DR-Z400 Supermoto. This is like the dirt bike with the street tires. Really fun to ride, 400cc liquid cooled, and it's got sport bike suspension. Only 511 miles on this gorgeous Supermoto. You do not see them with low miles coming into the used market. Come on by, make your Supermoto dreams come true for just $69.99. This bike will not be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.